Hello and thanks for joining me for this demonstration of Cleverbot. What I'm about to show you is the fastest, easiest way to add viral content straight into your Viral Loop website, okay? So I'm going to just click over here to a brand new domain and a brand new fresh install of Viral Loop. All I've done is selected a design and added a logo. So what we're going to do is we're going to start populating this site with content automatically. So let's hop on over to Cleverbot and go ahead and create a new Cleverbot. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to give it a name, and this is just an internal. Your users do not see this. Okay, so seeing my site is about software. I'm first going to put in, let's just call this one software. Okay. Now, you're going to be able to choose through the different media types that we offer, right? So you have images, videos, audio, or products, which come straight from Amazon. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do the videos for this particular one, and we're going to set a keyword, okay? So this keyword is going to be, let's just say best software, okay? Now, there's a reason that I'm going to do this. So in this field right here, we can also promote affiliate offers, okay? So no matter what we put in here, it's going to be our particular offer. So if I'm going to be bringing back some videos of best software, I want my affiliate link to be in there as well so I can promote an offer. So in this field, we may say something like, get your discounted copy here, okay? And we're just going to put whatever link it is that leads to our offer, okay? Now, this is going to show up in the description of the post, which I'll show you after this post is created. So the next thing we have here are titles, okay? So what this is going to do, essentially Viral Loop is think of it like a list of posts, okay? So you have this list of best software. Inside that list are as many posts as you'd like to have inside of that list, okay? So what we want to do is we want to assign titles to the actual list itself, okay? So for this one, we're just going to say, best software of 2016. Oops. 16. Okay, now we can add multiple titles, okay? And I'll tell you exactly why, but I'm just going to throw another one in here right now. And we're going to say must have software. Okay. So what's going to happen is Cleverbot is going to go out and it's going to grab a number of posts. Okay. So we have our number of posts here, and I'm just going to put this in as 3 right now. Okay. So basically what's going to happen is it's going to do a search on the videos for the keyword best software. It is then going to grab 3 of those posts, create a list of those posts, and assign it one of these titles. Okay, so now you can give it as many custom titles as you'd like. So what we'll also do is once it runs out of titles, of custom titles to choose, we will automatically use the title of the first post that is in the particular list. And I'm going to show you what all this looks like right after Cleverbot goes out and does its job. Okay. Now, you can also do is assign different users, okay? So right now I have a few users here, so I'm just going to pick these 3. Now, what this does is it gives it more of a natural look on the website, because what it's going to do is it's going to basically rotate through whatever users you've selected. So on the first post it grabs, it's going to assign one of these users. The second post, it's going to assign a different user. So all your members can look like they're posting content, and it's not all just coming from admin, for instance, okay? So the next thing we have is the category. Now this is directly correlated to the categories that you've set up in WordPress, okay? So this is the categories that are showing. So for now I'm going to show software because that's what this one is about. So that's the category I'd like this list to show up under. And I'm going to have this post for this demo once every hour. Now you have the choice between hours and days, okay? Now what we also offer is a content spinner. So what's going to happen is when you enable this spinner, any description that comes back with that video is going to be spun, okay, so that it creates unique content. Now here we have the ability to enable it as a draft or to just publish it straight to your site. So if I leave this off, it'll basically go into draft mode, which will then require me to log in and actually publish that content. You may want to use that if you want to review the content before it goes live on the site. If not, simply enable it, and then it will just automatically publish straight to the website. So let's go ahead and add this campaign. Okay, great. So now we're ready. We got 3 posts of video media type. It's going to go out and find all the different software videos and post according to our settings. So let's just go ahead and set up one more quick one here. And this one I'm going to call hardware. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to have products. Okay. So this is going to go out to Amazon, find products, and automatically hook up my affiliate, my Amazon affiliate link to this particular set of posts. Okay. So keyword here, I'm going to say, let's call it, let's just do computer and just, we'll see what comes back. This should definitely give us some good product. Okay. So this one here, we might want to say best computer hardware, of 2016. And we'll do this one. We'll just have must-have computer hardware. Okay, just for an example. Okay, so now we're going to go out and find some posts. So with these, I'm going to grab 4 posts per list. Now this particular one, you may not want to use an offer because it's already hooked up to your Amazon affiliate program. So you really may not need nothing, but if you want to, you can enter whatever text you would like into this and it will insert it into that post. Now again, like I said, we're going to pick a few of these users, and we're going to pick the hardware category, and I'm going to have this post once every hour as well. Okay? Now I'm going to spin the content, and I'm going to publish it instantly to the site. And we'll go ahead and add that campaign. Okay, great. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video here, and I'm going to come back here in an hour, and we're going to take a look and see exactly what kind of content we've got. Okay, so it's been a couple of hours, and let's go ahead and check back in and see what our Cleverbot has found. If I go back over to the front of the site, you're going to see now that we have hardware, software. We have must-have computer hardware and must-have software. So these are the two of the titles that I used when I set up the Cleverbot. Now let's go ahead and just take a look inside, okay? So we've got the must-have computer list. Now, as you're going to see, you've got 4. We have decided to do 4 posts in this particular one, and here they are. And let's go ahead and take a look inside the individual post itself, right here. All right, great. And there's the actual Amazon product image, and the description comes right over to it. You can add to wish list. If anybody buys now through this button, it goes straight into your affiliate account on Amazon. So you're going to make commissions on that particular sale. So you can see how very easy it is and quick it is to set up this content using Cleverbot. So thank you so much for joining me. Go ahead and pick up your copy.